Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to add Google search engine on Windows 10 search bar. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. I am going to search something in Windows 10 search bar. Type how to upload documents to a website. How to upload documents to a website. That search automatic redirect to go Microsoft Bing, and all search results are here from Microsoft Bing. Now I am going to show you how to add Google Chrome as search engine in Windows 10 search bar. Click on three dot icon on upper right corner. Now click on extensions. Now click on manage extensions. Here type Chrome and you will find here Chrome Web Store. Click on Chrome Web Store. Search bar. Type here Chrome Tana. Chrome Tana. Okay. Click on Chrome Tana and you will find an extension here. Chrome Tana redirect beam to somewhere better. Click on this extension. Now click on get to install this extension on your Microsoft Edge browser. Click on add extension. And a new tab will be opened and you will find two search engine here. One is Google Chrome and another one is Yahoo. Which one you want to add? Just click on it. I am going to click on Google Chrome and Chrome extension already added. Now close Edge browser, Windows 10 search bar, how to download music. Now click on how to download music and look, now the search result come from Google Chrome and you will find Google icon here, and look, all search result come from Google Chrome. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.